Now we're on to step 2, creating your works cited. Now, for this step, you're going to need to have your topic guide open. So if you don't have your topic guide open right now, please pause this video until it is open. All right, so you should have your topic guide open and your research paper outline. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be finding the works cited section of the outline. It's the end, it's the last section. So you're going to be scrolling a little bit. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Works cited. There it is. Okay. So, um, like I said, you need your topic guides. If you haven't found that in your research project folder yet, please pause and get it open. This is where you'll find the citations you need to put on this page. And now what you're going to be doing is you're going to be copying and pasting each citation in alphabetical order, looking at the first word in each citation. So I'm going to come over here to my topic guide. Whoops, I opened the wrong thing. We want topic guide. There we go. And you'll notice that it says MLA format to works cited entry. And then we have one of this little paragraph here starting with Miller. We have a paragraph starting with this I last name, Ijelnik. And then we have Generation Z, starting with a title rather than a name. So last I checked, G came before both I and M. So I am going to paste this one first. I'm going to go ahead and copy it. That's Control C if you're using keyboard shortcuts. And I'm going to select the text that says highlight this text and paste your first citation here. And I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to press enter. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go get my second citation. So I'm going to use I because I comes before M. And I'm going to paste it. Now I'm going to press enter again to start a new line, go back to my topic guide, and get my third works cited entry and paste it. Now the instructions also say to add the citation for the intro topic article from Newsella, because if you use that fourth source somewhere in your paper, you get some extra credit summative points, like 3, for using that fourth source. So I'm just going to, we already created that works cited entry, so I'm just going to copy it from my topic guide. And it is Y, Young. And so that's going to go all the way at the end for me. You might have to place yours somewhere else. And now we just need to format this page correctly. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this text. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that they all have this, what we call a hanging indent, where the first line is over farther than the other lines, which is the case for all of them except for the last one. So I just moved that around a little bit and it fixed it. Now, if you have yours like this, you have to take that little top rectangle that sits on top of the triangle, and you have to move just that top rectangle on the in the ruler here to 0, 0, 0, and that will make your hanging indent. So we're not done yet. We need to go to our line spacing button, and we need to go ahead and it says add a space after paragraph. We're going to do that, and then we're going to go in and we're going to remove it. Okay, that did not get rid of the gap in between our paragraphs, so we're going to try adding a space before the paragraph, and now we're going to try removing that space before the paragraph. Okay, you see how that brought all of our paragraphs together so there's no blank space? All right, now that you've done that, you can go to line spacing again and select double. Once you've finished that step, your works cited is done. All right, on to the next step.